Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're going to go over some of the items that I picked up from Victoria's Secret in pink. So if you want to see some of the summer collections and items that I decided to get while I was in store and order online, just stay tuned. All right, so you guys, if you notice any of my shorts or anything lately, you would have noticed that I visited the Victoria's Secret store, and I did show you guys those items that I picked up in store. I also got some things online before I went into store. So I picked up the PINK Summer Faves Collection. So let me go over those items first. I also picked up a couple of other items from their own vacation line and additional other body mist featuring some of their summer scents. So let me start with those. The first one that I decided to pick up was this one here called Cocoa Sands. It says it's a coconut cream, vanilla orchid, and seashell sands. That's what that looks like. And this one, it's giving you that coconut right away. It says coconut cream, which I really appreciate. And that's exactly what it's giving you. It's giving the coconut cream and the vanilla. So if you love those two scents, period, this is a good one. I sprayed these when they first came in before, just to see what I thought about them initially. And this one is one of my favorites. So this one was the Cocoa Sands. I really like this one. And the other one I just decided to pick up during that, they was having their mist sale going on. This one is Mango Sun. It's juicy guava, peach blooms, and sun-kissed skin. Doesn't say mango anywhere in the notes. But I'm finding that I love the guava scent. And even though mango is not listed, either the guava scent is mixed with the mango or it's giving off a mango vibe, because I do get that very heavily in this, and I do like this. This is a nice one as well. I really like this one. Those two were absolute favorites for me. This other one I picked up during the sale, I believe this was released during the winter time, but it gives you the summertime vibe, so I'm not sure about that because it might be a summer release. It's called Sugarberry. For me, the packaging is looking wintry. That's what's making me think it's a winter fragrance. But the note says raspberry fizz, pink sugar, and shimmering snow. So, but I did not have the scent before, so. And you smell the raspberry right off. Raspberry with sweetness, and it does have fizziness to it, so kind of remind you of a champagne note. Yeah, that's what it's reminding me of. Is like it says raspberry fizz. It gives you that, it's a sweet raspberry, and it gives you that like champagne note, which is nice. That will layer very well. The other one that I picked up was a vanilla and dream. It says it has fluffy vanilla, golden caramel, and coconut cloud. That's what that one looks like. Coconut. Getting a little bit more alcohol in this one. Kind of reminds me of the Cocoa Sand one a little bit. But it's a little bit more airy. Yeah. It's got a little more airiness and a little more sweetness to it. So that's nice. Now this one, look at this, you guys. Look at that. It came in like this. This looked like it was beat up. And then look at how much of a dip is in here. So I don't know what happened with this one. I don't know if it leaked or what. It wasn't wet when I received it in the mail, but this thing already looked like it was something going on with it. I do not have a store very close to me, so. Agave nectar, dragon fruit, island vanilla. This is their own, one of their own vacation ones. And this one is more alcoholic as well. Yeah, more alcohol, but I mean, you smell the dragon fruit. I'm smelling more of the sweetness than I am the dragon fruit. I like it. I really do. I like it. I just don't like the fact that it showed up the way it did. This one is on vacation as well, and this is the warm and cozy version. And this one says peach nectar, passion fruit, and sugar crystals. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah. I love, so you know what? I'm finding that I like passion fruit. I'm finding that I like guava. You know, I love coconut. I love mango. So like I say over and over again, I really love the like tropical fruit scents. Yeah, I love this one. Yep, love it, love it, love it. All right, so that was one that was from the winter collection that went on sale that I picked up. The other one, yeah, that is a fluffy coconut. This one is more of a, like it said, a coconut cream. That's why it's more deeper of a coconut. So it's a little heavier on the coconut, which I love. The mango skin. Yeah, those are all good. I love all those. And what I tend to do is I try to stick to things I know that I'm going to like or should like. I don't just order any and everything. And all of these were on sale. They had these during the mist sale that was going on when I was in store. So, so online I decided to pick up things that I knew that I would probably lean more towards. Now, while I was online, I noticed they dropped this new Summer Faves Collection. These all got a retro looking bottle, which I think is super cute. So let me just go through these. It's 4 of them I have here. There's vanilla sundae, cotton candy, rocket pop, and strawberry dip. So let's start with strawberry dip. It says that it has, let's see here. That's what it looks like. So it says that it has soft serve, shortcake crumbles, and candy coating. So let's see. I smell strawberry right away when I open it up. It's good. It's a nice, do you know whenever do you remember those strawberry candies? I think they still sell them. The hard candy that has like the strawberry looking wrapper. It's reminding me of that candy. Yes, it's reminding me of that candy for some reason. I'm not picking up on a cake. I'm picking up on the strawberry candy. So if you like that scent of like when you're sucking on or eating that strawberry candy, that scent that it gives you, that sweet strawberry scent, that's what I'm picking up with this. And I like it. I like it. All right. The other one I have here is cotton candy. Now, I've seen people compare this one to some of the Bath & Body Works scents. I don't have those, so I cannot compare that to those. So this will be my first impression of this scent. But this has strawberry sugar, fluffy vanilla, and boardwalk air. So although this one has strawberry in it as well, I'm not getting the candied strawberry like I did in the other one. It's an airy strawberry. Yeah, I'm getting an airy sweet strawberry, and I like it. I bet that these two will layer very good together. And I can see these layering very well with the strawberry pound cake as well from Bath & Body Works. Or really any strawberry scent that you have in your collection. Yeah, I like it. That's a good one. The other one I have here is Vanilla Sundae from the Summer Faves Collection. This one has vanilla scoop, whipped cream, and rainbow sprinkles. This is very light compared to the other one so far, so I'm trying to make sure my nose need to adjust. Okay, now I'm getting the ice cream. Nice, sweet ice cream scent. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. A nice, like it said, maybe that's where I'm getting a lightness from because it said whipped cream in there. But I'm definitely picking up on it's a light whipped vanilla. That's what I'm picking up on this. I'm not really getting any rainbow sprinkles. So maybe I'll pick up more of that once if it was sprayed on skin. Let me check that on my skin. Yeah, I'm just getting a sweetness. I'm getting a light, airy, whipped vanilla. That's what I'm getting. And I like it. I mean, who doesn't love a good vanilla? And if it's a sweet, creamy, whipped light vanilla, then that's nice as well. Yeah. I wonder how this compares to the bare vanilla. I have one of those mists in my bathroom, and I like to spray it after I get out of the shower. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I like it. Like I said, who doesn't love a good vanilla? I like it, but I don't know if it's one of my faves. All right, so the next one on here that I have is the Rocket Pop. That's that one. And it has cherry ice, sunshine lemon, and blue raspberry. Use this hand since I got the other scent on the other hand. Ooh. This is reminding me of a drink. Yes, it's reminding me of actually one of those ice creams or one of those slushies or one of those cone ice like slushies. The blue raspberry ones that you can get. Yes. Or the little ice cream that has the blue and the red. Is that the ice cream? Is that what this is named after? If you know what I'm talking about, drop it down in the comments. But yes, it is reminding me of that. With a little bit when it initially sprayed. That's exactly what it reminded me of. But now it's sweetening up. I love this. This smells beautiful. This is fun. Like it says, summer. This is summer fun. Yeah, this is nice. Let me see what I think is my favorite out of these. That's cotton candy. Strawberry dip. All right, so vanilla sundae is last for me right now until I can do a wear test officially. But then it will be yeah. So vanilla sundae in fourth, strawberry dip for me is in third, cotton candy in second, and the rocket pop is in first place out of that summer phase that I picked up. I don't know if there were any more in that collection, but that's the ones that I picked up, and that would be my ranking of those items. I really did enjoy those. Like I said, all of these were good. I just love some more than others, but those, I really love this rocket pop. It's so refreshing. It reminds me of my childhood is what this does. Like chasing down an ice cream truck. Yes. Or just going to a fair, or just any of those little moments. Summertime fun. Yep, summertime fun is what this is taking me back to, and I really like that. And that's probably why it's giving me nostalgia, and that's why I love it. It's probably why I'm leaning towards it. Yeah. Yeah. Cotton candy and to me strawberry dip are kind of equal. But I'm leaning more towards the cotton candy one. But yes, that is all I'm going to share in this haul today. My thoughts on the Summer Faves collection, along with some of the other items that I picked from the summer, some other summer scents and on vacation scents and things like that. I have other items that I did order, but I don't want to make this video too long, so just stay tuned for those future videos. Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you loved the video or liked the video, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to the channel, and if you have one of the Summer Faves collection that you are enjoying wearing or layering with something, please drop it down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.